Hi, Lee Phillips here. Yeah, I'm still an attorney. Don't hold that against me. I'm getting old enough that I'm not really practicing anymore. I'm getting good enough. At any rate, what I want to talk about for a minute is distributions out of a Subchapter S entity. Now, what we're doing is we're telling you, okay, run your business through a Subchapter S entity. That's going to be an LLC taxed under Subchapter S. The LLC gives you superior asset protection to the corporation, twice as much, and it gives you tax advantages. The tax advantage is I own the company. The law says I have to take a reasonable salary out of the company. Well, let's say I make $200,000 this year. I can take a reasonable salary. Let's say that's $50,000. On that salary, I have, and it depends. You can look up what a reasonable salary is on the different job websites and that sort of stuff and see what they're paying for that job today. But take out the reasonable salary, and as long as you're paying yourself a fair amount, you're okay. Take out the reasonable salary. On the $50,000, I'm going to pay the self-employment tax, Social Security, FICA, FUTA, all that crap, 15.3%. On the $150,000, I'm going to distribute that to me. And on that, I don't have to pay the 15.3%. It comes out as income to me. I have to take it as income, ordinary income, but I don't pay the self-employment, FICA, FUTA, all that crap on it, the 15.3%. And that goes up periodically, so when you're watching this, it may be even more. So I saved a bunch of money. What did I save? I saved $22,000, something like that, $23,000. That's not bad, guys. That's not bad. By simply having a Subchapter S. If I'm doing this as a sole proprietor, I have to take the whole amount, put it on my Schedule C, but it all comes out as earned income. I have to pay the Social Security, FICA, FUTA crap, all that on every dime. If it's in a C corporation, I can't take the distribution. I have to pay every dime out as a wage. Either that or a dividend, and I pay double taxation. I pay 60% tax on what I get out as a dividend because the company pays the tax, and then I get it, and I have to pay the tax. Double taxation. So you're going to use the Subchapter S. Now, here's the question. Okay, I get the distribution. Do I get it at the end of the year? All $150,000? Do I take out 25% of it in each quarter? I don't care. That's fine. But what you don't do is what I see a lot of people do. And that is, I get my credit card bill. I just have my company pay the credit card bill. I have my company pay for my trip to Hawaii, and I call it a distribution. Well, you're crossing the line there, buddy. The whole argument in court is this isn't my company. This is a real company. It's not my alter ego. Well, Phillips Petroleum or Exxon or Bank of America, they're not going to let their execs pay their grocery bill out of distributions. They're going to give them a chunk each quarter or all at the end or whatever. But they're not going to put out these little individual pieces, and you're controlling that company to the point where it is your alter ego because you're making that company do everything for you as if it were you. So that's going to be my argument when I get you into court. And that's going to be the argument with the IRS. They're going to look at all these little things coming out and say, no. That's not really a distribution. That's a wage. You're just paying yourself. So you don't do that. Take out chunks quarterly, annually, whatever. But it's a specific amount at a specific time. It's not these little pieces that I see people sending out all of the time. That's not the way you use your LLC. and your taxes. Look up my 10 tax tactics, okay? Get my 10 tax tactics, it's free. And we'll go through this concept of a distribution. And we'll allow you to take the distribution out. It'll save you the 15.3%. But you got to do it right, guys, or you're going to get screwed. Now, don't forget to subscribe and love us and all of that stuff. In fact, tell your friends about us. We do good stuff here. We don't advertise. We don't make money off of you. I'm just giving you information that will help you conduct your personal life and your business life. This is Lee Phillips teaching you about distributions.